Hey, what's up guys, Zen here, and today I'm back with a new video. In today's video I'll show you how to make Ubuntu, Linux Ubuntu bootable USB drive. Okay, the first step is go to Google and search RUFUS. Okay, and then open the official site. You can download it from here. You can see there are a lot of options, and the next step is to download the ISO file. Okay, you can download the desktop, Ubuntu desktop, or you can download Ubuntu server. Okay, this is the desktop one, this is the server one, and both are latest right now at the time of recording. And then you have to launch this RUFUS. After installing it, I have already downloaded and installed it. So, here it is. Okay, now you have to select your USB drive. So selecting your USB drive, select the ISO file, which is right here. Select it. I will go to the desktop, and you can always search for it. Okay, here we have, and then just start it. Say yes, and then it's okay. Say okay. I'll wait for it. Okay, so here you can see we have successfully made our bootable USB. Okay, I'll show you. It's right here. So thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.